This is our third year with Scrut. That speaks a lot. So from the get-go, when we started, like, hey, how do we like get started? Like, which are the specific security certifications we should even go for, and like which one makes sense, especially with an AI company we're working in the enterprise space, which all the certification makes sense. So like a lot of guidance and also support was there from the get-go on the onboarding side, and like and every phase on that audit journey, and also getting all the way to the certification. Scrut has been, and like, the team has been so like so vested in our success, and like it's very rare to see that, but I think that's one of the bigger success reasons why like we continue to renew with Scrut, and like and it makes sense. So all the way from an engineering or like from a builder standpoint, you have to spend less time on keeping track of all the evidences and also putting together policies, all the stuff on one side. And on the other side, from a go-to-market standpoint, it's much easier for our go-to-market team to present our security posture, and also all the certifications are already available right there in their fingertips, so that we can move the deals significantly faster than just going without something like something like Scrut.